So now we're going to look at how to make the heading look a bit nicer. So I'm going to start off with pasting in some code I've already written. Okay. Now, like before, we had tags, so li and a, which refer to these tags here. But now I've got .logo. Now the full stop becomes important because this is in CSS is known as a class. And what class allows us to do is just pick different tags to use this. Okay, so it's a way of basically saying certain tags will have a certain style. So this .logo, I want to apply to this bit here, my title for my site. So inside the div, I'm going to go class equals logo. So the keyword class basically means a CSS class, okay? And logo refers to this. So we can create new classes in CSS using a full stop and whatever name we want to. So it's like a variable name or identifier. And then I can just link it up like that. So let's change the fonts. I'm going to have Arial again. And font size, nice and big because you want a nice, beautiful, big font. And then color. Again, I'm going to choose a color. And this time, let's go for hideous green. Obviously, your website is going to look better than mine. I'm just showing you how you can do this. So use your color picker, take the hex value of it, and I can replace that with that. Okay, I'm going to take out cursor pointer for now. Okay, and we'll see what that does in a moment. So I'm going to save that. So as long as you've set class logo for your div here, and you have set the color, sorry, the CSS here, this should work. So let's see the site. There we go, beautiful Arial green kind of monstrosity. So as you notice that when I hover over text, I can highlight it. When I hover this one, I can highlight it. When I hover over these links, they turn into links. So I'm going to put cursor pointer over on this one, save it, and let's see what happens. If you notice that when I hover over it, it's now this kind of pointer instead. So it means that it looks a little bit different to how it looks there. So we can basically say what cursor, which is the thing that's spinning around on the screen, is each time. So that's what that one does. So again, change the font, whatever you want to, and you can set the font and color of that one. And next one, we're going to start to look at how to maybe lay this out a bit more like a proper menu.